I went 30 days without spending money on anything except absolute essentials. I saved over $800, but I also almost broke on day 17. Let me explain. So here's the deal. I was tired of wondering where my money went every month. I had a decent income, but somehow always felt broke. So I decided to try something extreme. A no-spend challenge. For 30 days, I could only spend on rent, utilities, groceries, and gas. Everything else? Completely off limits. Week 1 was honestly exciting. I felt like I was getting away with something. I made coffee at home, packed lunches, and said no to happy hour. My bank account actually grew for the first time in months. By day 7, I had already saved over $150 that normally would have disappeared on random stuff. I was meal prepping, finding free entertainment, and feeling really proud of myself. I thought, this is easy. Why don't I do this all the time? Spoiler alert, week 1 lies to you. Week 2 is when things got real. The novelty wore off. A friend invited me to dinner for her birthday. I had to say no. My favorite store sent a 50% off email. I had to delete it. My coworker brought in amazing smelling takeout, and I was eating my sad desk salad. The temptation was everywhere. I started noticing every single ad, every restaurant, every person with a shopping bag. It's like the universe was testing me. On day 14, I stood in Target for 20 minutes holding a candle I didn't need, trying to justify it as essential. I put it back, but I was grumpy about it for 2 days. This is when I realized how much I used spending as entertainment and emotional comfort. That was uncomfortable to face. But here's where it gets interesting. Week 3 changed everything. And day 17? That's when I almost gave up completely. Here's what happened. Day 17. My car needed an unexpected repair. $400. I had the money saved from the challenge, but using it felt like failure. I sat in my car and almost cried. But then something clicked. This is exactly why I needed to stop mindless spending. I had an emergency fund because I wasn't wasting money on stuff I didn't need. The challenge wasn't about deprivation. It was about being intentional. After that, week 3 got easier. I stopped feeling deprived and started feeling empowered. I found free alternatives for everything. Instead of shopping for fun, I reorganized my closet and rediscovered clothes I forgot I owned. Instead of restaurants, I tried new recipes with groceries I already had. Instead of buying books, I finally used my library card. By day 21, I had saved over $500 and honestly didn't miss the spending. I was learning to enjoy things that didn't cost money. Week 4 felt like a victory lap. The habits I built in 3 weeks started feeling normal. I wasn't white-knuckling it anymore. I stopped getting tempted by every ad. My friends adjusted and suggested free hangouts. I discovered my neighborhood has free concerts, hiking trails, and community events I never noticed before. The best part? My stress about money completely disappeared. I knew exactly where every dollar was going. On day 30, I checked my savings, $847 in 1 month, just from not spending on non-essentials. But the real win wasn't the money. It was realizing I had been using shopping and spending to fill time and avoid boredom. Now I had better tools. So what did I learn? 1. Most spending is habitual, not intentional. 2. Boredom and emotions drive way more purchases than I realized. 3. Free doesn't mean boring or deprived. 4. Having money in the bank feels better than having more stuff. And 5. You don't need a perfect budget. You just need to pause before spending and ask, do I really need this? Or is this just a habit?